Hello, I'm Aubrey Henry,
I'm Erin Christensen.
I'm Braden Naylor.
and we did the optimal vacation planner to plan our trip to Europe.
Look how
Woohoo!
cute we are. Oh my
We're
gosh.
so excited. So, for our summer vacay, we each got to choose our own itinerary over 21 days, and we chose these 10 locations, and we researched all of them to figure out how much money we would have to spend if we went there. So these are all the accommodation costs and associated, and then we totaled those up to see how much it actually costs to go there. And then we did this lovely graph that helps us see exactly how much, like if it's really expensive or if it's like super cheap to go and visit there. Then we had to research all of the traveling costs in between all the different cities that we chose, and we tried to choose them all around the same time that we'd be going. So we chose the beginning of May because that's right when the semester is getting out. So it just worked out the best for everything and just to keep it consistent with the pricing. So then we came over here and we built this lovely equation to figure out how much the travel cost would be for each one. So we have some lovely absolute cell references, name cells, VLOOKUPs, match, and as we come through here, we can change these different things and then it will update exactly what we do. And so it's really cool. So at the bottom, then we do the total trip cost, which sums the entire travel costs and then adds the uh, accommodation costs and average daily costs. So then from there, we figured out which trip was the least expensive and which one was the most expensive. And then we did an if then statement to see if we could actually afford it with our budget of $2,500. So, yeah, it was a really fun thing. And I'm excited to go to Europe. Woohoo!